Hello everybody, welcome to Catherine Sews. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just yesterday got back from the cottage where I shared just a lovely few days with my friends from my old neighborhood. So we did some thrifting. We had such a good time. It's really fun on those trips because the four of us have done trips together. A bit before COVID, we started going to Seattle for thrifting trips and we had so much fun together. And then during COVID, we decided to change it and just go to the cottage that belongs to my brother and his partner Suzanne. So we've actually just never changed back. We just keep going because the cottage is just so lovely. And there's great thrifting in Duncan BC. So we were there, we did our thrifting. It was so much fun. And I brought my sewing machine and my serger, and one of the other ladies, Joyce, she brought her sewing machine as well. So we had the whole dining room set up as a sewing center. We got so much done, and we also did like go out and enjoy nature and enjoy swimming in the river, and so lots of cooking, lots of eating, and lots of just enjoying life with good friends. We had a whole, I'd say day and a half of sewing. Yeah, I think everybody brought something that they wanted to work on or wanted some help with. And on top of that, we thrifted a bunch of things that needed some work here and there as well. So we got tons done and it was really fun. So I'll make a video out of all of that and that'll come out in a couple weeks time. So today I just wanted to show you what I thrifted. Our go-to thrifting spot in Duncan is Thrift Town. And there's actually the regular Thrift Town and then there's the boutique with the fancy stuff. So I think everything I bought came from that boutique. So this is a double-breasted black silk shirt. I'm always on the hunt for a black silky button-up shirt. I just don't do well with a crisp cotton shirt. I just always feel like I'm in jail. But a silky one and this double-breasted style just looks really, really nice. It's definitely a throwback to the late 80s, early 90s maybe. But I just love the way it looked on. Now it's got a 3/4 sleeve, so I want to do something where I can just flip the cuffs back because it looks much cooler if the cuffs flip back. I'm going to play with just putting like a little strip of elastic, joining it together at the sleeve placket, but I could still fold the sleeve back. I'm going to just play around with that. And then this little floral number, very sheer, but I'll put a black camisole under that. And the only thing I want to do to this is, of course, you probably guessed it, lower the neck because it's right up here. And I just don't love that for me. It's just not comfortable. And then this one, I'm making a capsule wardrobe for fall out of gray and burgundy. And so, of course, I'll have black mixed in there as well. And then look at this shirt I found. Like, look at those colors, hey? So beautiful, but it's too big in the shoulder and in the side. So I'm going to be like doing a fairly significant alteration on that one. But I just love it. And then just a cute little red wool blazer, which is again quite a throwback. This one has like a 70s vibe, but the wool's in very good condition and it's nice. It fits nicely, so I'm happy with that. Just as I was editing this little quick video, I got inspired with my red jacket. Also because I got a new set of friction markers. It's so beautiful. I was watching an Anna Reed style video. I think she's fun to watch. I like her. And she was showing a sweater and it inspired me to maybe try an embroidery project on this jacket. I know I have not made much progress on the embroidery project that I already have going on, but maybe I'll be more motivated to try it on something like this. I will definitely give you an update on this one. Oh, and then one last little thing. For my travels, I found this little bag for $5. And the idea for this is that when I travel, I carry like a big giant tote bag that I can just put everything I need in for the whole day, including like a water bottle, maybe my itinerary, information about where I'm going that day, anything I purchase, and as well as small shopping bags, tissue, everything I need, right, is in this big giant tote bag. But then when I head out in the evening, I don't want to carry that same tote bag that I've been carrying all day. So I like to, if I can, I'd like to switch into a little tiny crossbody bag so I still feel safe and secure, but that I can just throw in my phone, credit card, maybe a lip balm. That is about it. $5 and it's just so cute. Like, look at that. I was pretty happy about that. And with the little chain going across the body, I thought that was quite a nice little score. So that is my thrifting, and you'll definitely see those 3 tops in an upcoming video for sure. So yeah, I got back from the cottage yesterday and then had to still fight with my computer to upload my video that I was editing while I was there. And that took so forever. So I'm getting a divorce from iMovie. I'm never using iMovie again. I'm switching over to DaVinci, and hopefully that means I don't have so many technical difficulties. One of my ladies in our Seattle retreat WhatsApp thread sent me a top. I told her to send it because she was having trouble getting the hem to look good. So that arrived in the mail. So she says that the bottom is all stretched out, and she really likes the top. It is a really pretty fabric, isn't it? It's just a cotton t-shirt knit, and the bottom is quite wiggly. So if I get somewhere interesting with that, then I'll show you in the next vlog of how that worked out. But I guess as a little bit of a thank you, or just like a little hello gift, she included this little tissue pack cover, which I just thought was so cute. And it's got bees on it, which is really special to that group because we call each other the sister bees. So anything with bees, we all get excited about because we all love each other so much. So isn't that so nice? And it's so nicely made, the way she combined the 2 different fabrics. I thought that was really, really sweet. So this afternoon, I'm going to go out and see my mom. And then I've got kind of a busy week. And then my husband and I are going to go away this coming weekend as well. I don't know. I'm still too busy. I'm still working on, it's sort of funny to say, like, I'm working really hard at relaxing. I'm missing the point, right? I'm like, I don't understand the assignment yet. So that is what I'm trying to do though. All right. So I really hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying the second half of August. It's a super beautiful but windy day here today. I have to keep my doors closed because the wind was so noisy. I don't know if this week if I'll be able to do a Wednesday video, maybe not, but I'm looking forward to the weekend's tutorial because I've been working on a really, really pretty dress. Okay, so probably won't see you Wednesday, but I will see you again on the weekend. And until next time on Catherine Sews, you take care.